Hi, this is Suresh Kotwal. Today I will show you how to add author box in GeneratePress theme. Basically, you can add author box in both free and premium version, but here we are going to try on premium version without any plugin. Moreover, we are going to use element module available in GeneratePress premium theme. So if you haven't activated it, go to appearance, GeneratePress and activate the element module. Here I am trying to create author box with two different styles. So test both codes, that is code 1 and code 2, and use only one code at a time with CSS code. Before adding the author bio code, first add author bio and gravatar. First set gravatar if you haven't already by visiting the gravatar.com and add author bio and hit update profile. Now copy the author box code from my site. The link is on description below. To add the author box code, go to appearance and element, click on add new and choose element type as hook and give a title and paste the copied code from my site. Furthermore, go to hook setting and choose the hook to display after content and check on execute PHP. Furthermore, go to display rules and choose as post and hit publish button. Copy the CSS code for one from my side and go to appearance, customize and additional CSS and paste the CSS code here and hit a publish button. Now the author box look like this for code 1 and feel free to tweak the CSS code as necessary. Follow the same method as code 1 for code 2. Copy the code from my site and test it for code 2 with CSS code. And furthermore, check the layout for author box. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to watch more video like this.